Hello class 2, good morning, how are you? Fine? So class 2, in the previous part what did we do? We did part 2 of chapter 2, that is the sentence, and we did some exercises in that. Let me revise what did we do that day. Okay, so that day we had completed one exercise in which 2 sentences were left, and we did one picture writing from page number 10, okay, and from page number 12 we did one exercise in which we had to mark the question sentences, okay, and the next sentence, the next exercise that we did, the exercise was having 8 sentences, but we did only 5 sentences that day because I had told you that we would do the later sentences in the next video. So I am going to start from that part only which was left, okay. And so what you need to do, you need to take out your grammar book as well as your English copy number 1, that is your English classwork notebook, okay. And first of all, give your attendance, write your name in the discussion box so that I could know that you are attending the class, okay. So before I start, just get ready with your notebooks. Okay. So this was the exercise in which number 6, 7 and 8 were left. So shall I start it? Okay. Now see. So sentence number 6 is, number 6 was, well is not feeling Sudha. Well is not feeling Sudha. Okay. Now this sentence we have to rewrite in a proper way. We have to arrange the words in a proper way, and that day also I told you that in any imperative sentence, assertive sentence or a simple sentence, the first word is generally a noun or a pronoun. So here the first word should be Sudha with capital S, and the sentence would be Sudha is not feeling well. Sudha is not feeling well. सुधा की तबीयत अच्छी नहीं लग रही. Okay. Now number 7. Number 7 is English speak wants yummy too. English speak wants yummy too. And the sentence in a proper way will be yummy. Yummy is the name here, so Y will be capital. Yummy wants to speak English. English is a special name, so E will be capital and a full stop. Yummy wants to speak English. Number 8. Number 8 is fairy tales. Fairy tales. And I reading book of. So the sentence in a proper manner will be started with I. I. मैं परियों की कहानियों की एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading a book of fairy tales. I am reading a book of fairy tales. Just note it down. Then we will move towards the next exercise. The next exercise is also a notebook work. Okay? This was your exercise A from page number 12. This was exercise A from page number 12. The sentences are: Subha is not feeling well. S is capital and there is a full stop at last. Yummy wants to speak English. Y is in capital and E is also in capital, and at last there is a full stop. And number 8 is I am reading a book of fairy tales. Now next exercise. See the next exercise in the book. Here it is given that it is a notebook work. What is it? It is a notebook work. Here there is a passage about the school. School के बारे में एक passage है. Let us read it. अभी हमको read करके क्या करना है पता है? We have to correct it. We have to correct it. इसे correct करना है. जहां भी कैपिटल लेटर का मिस्टेक है या फुल स्टॉप का मिस्टेक है, कॉमास का मिस्टेक है, दैट वी हैव टू करेक्ट. ओके, सो द पैराग्राफ इज I go to Sunrise School. It is one of the best school in my city, New Delhi. I study in class 2. My school has a very big building and a large playground. There is a beautiful garden at the entrance filled with colorful flowers. The classrooms are big and spacious. There is a big library too. I borrow books from there. The teachers are kind and loving. I love my school very much. Here in the passage, there is no full stop. After a sentence, there is no full stop. Full stop नहीं होने की वजह से we are confused कि कौन सा sentence कहाँ तक है. Okay, so what we need to do? We have to punctuate it. Punctuate करने का मतलब है कि आप full stop का यूज कीजिए, कैपिटल लेटर्स का यूज कीजिए जहां भी सेंटेंस में उसकी जरूरत है. The first mistake is here. See, I is not capital. I go to Sunrise School. Sunrise School. They both are special. This is a special name, so this S will be capital and this S will be capital. I am doing it in the book. After that, we will write it properly in the notebook. So, how many mistakes are there till now? 1, 2, 3. There should be a full stop here. After that, I should be capital. It is one of the best school in my city, New Delhi. N should be capital, D should be capital. If we are doing it in the book, it is very messy. बहुत messy हो जाएगा, अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा. तो we should rewrite it in the notebook. We should rewrite it in the notebook. Okay. See, I am doing all the corrections, but it is not looking good. My school has a very big building and a large playground. Full stop. There is a beautiful garden at the entrance filled with colorful flowers. Full stop. After that, here T will be capital. The classrooms are big and spacious. Full stop. There is a big library too. Full stop. I borrow books from there. Full stop. The teachers are kind and loving. Full stop. I love my school very much. Full stop. So, sections is not possible in the paragraph, so we are rewriting it. See, it is given, write it correctly in your notebook. The question here is, read this passage. On my school there are capital letters and full stops missing in it. जितने भी capital letters and full stops है वो missing है, मतलब they are not there. So write it correctly in your notebook. तो हमें इसे correctly notebook में लिखना है. Okay. So for that what we need to do? We need to write it. We need to write it. So I am going to write it and I will just mark the exercise. Okay, I will just mark the exercise, put today's date and classwork, English grammar, chapter 2. This is exercise B, page number 13. Exercise B from page number 13 and start it. Okay. So the correct paragraph would be, first of all we need to write the topic, my school. The correct paragraph would be, I go to, I will be capital here, see, I go to Sunrise School, S-U-N-R-I-S-E, Sunrise School. Sunrise School is a special name and here the first sentence ends, so we are ending it with a capital, with a full stop. Okay, and in passage writing what happens, we can start a new line or a new sentence just after the previous sentence. एक sentence खत्म हुआ उसके बाद हम capital letter से नया sentence शुरू कर सकते हैं. And the new sentence is, it is, you have to write it with me, it is one of the best school in my city, in my city. The name of the city is, and there is a comma also, in my city, New Delhi. New Delhi, N will be capital, D will be capital, D-E-L-H-I. In my city, New Delhi, I study in class 2. Here one more sentence ends and we will start a new sentence with capital letter. I study in class 2. I study in class 2. C will also be capital here. C-L-A-S-S, class 2. I study in class 2. Write it down fast. I study in class 2. Full stop. My, M is capital here, see. My school has a very big building. My school has a very big building. My school has a very big building and a large playground and a large playground. Playground. Large playground, and there is a full stop after playground. Okay, and after that there is a beautiful garden. एक beautiful garden है मेरे स्कूल में. There is a beautiful garden. There is a beautiful garden at the class 2, write it fast so that I could erase it. To write the remaining passage. After that there is only one exercise left and this chapter will be completed. Okay? And after that I have to give you today's homework also. Okay? So, I am erasing it at the entrance. E-N-T-R-A-N-C-E. Entrance. I am erasing the upper part so that I could write the remaining passage. And I am using red for that. At the entrance filled with colorful flowers. At the entrance filled with colorful flowers. C-O-L-O-U-R, colorful flowers. Full stop. The classrooms are big and spacious. The classrooms are big and spacious. S-P-A-C-I-O-U-S, spacious. The classrooms are big and spacious. Full stop. Now the next sentence is, there is a big library too. In my school, there is a big library too. Class 2, your homework is to rewrite this paragraph in your English notebook. In classwork, I am making you write, and once you will write it in your homework notebook. और जब आप homework notebook में से लिखेंगे, you need to do only 2 changes. Like where it is written I go to Sunrise School, वहाँ पर आपको लिखना है गुरुकुल International School. And where it is written in my city New Delhi की जगह पे आपको लिखना है जांजगीर चांपा. So this will be your homework. You have to make 2 changes and you have to rewrite the same paragraph in your homework notebook. Now next, there is a big library too. there is a big library too. I borrow. Borrow करने का मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज लेना, किसी से लेना. When you take it for some time, जब आप कुछ समय के लिए कोई चीज लेते हो, then it is called borrowing. Then it is called borrowing. We do the same, isn't it? We go to library, we take one book for some time, and after that we return it. So I borrow books from there. B-O-O-K-S, books. I borrow books from there. Now I am erasing all these words. So class 2, have you got? What is your homework? Your homework is to rewrite the same passage. Just you have to change the school's name and the city name. Instead of school name, you have to write Gurukul International School, and instead of city, New Delhi, you have to write Janjgir Chapa. Okay? Now the next sentence. I borrow books from there. F-R-O-M, from. T-H-E-R-E, there. I borrow books from there. The teachers are kind and loving. The teachers
Yes.
are kind and loving. And the next is, the last sentence is, I love my school very much. I love my school very much. Okay, so this was the paragraph that has to be written in the notebook, and the same is your homework, What you need to do? You need to just change the school's name and the city name. Instead of school name, you have to write Gurukul International School, and remember, Gurukul, G will be capital, International, I will be capital, School, S will be capital. Okay, and in Janjgir Chapa, J will be capital and C will be capital. Now next, the last exercise of this chapter. After this, we will complete this chapter, and the next class will be of a new lesson from the course book. Okay, so this exercise we have done. Now the next is, although you have got the notes, then also I am going to revise it. Okay, it is done here. Then also insert a question mark or a full stop in each of these sentences. ये सारे sentence में या तो full stop या तो question mark नहीं है. Okay, so here it is done because we have done in the book. That's why it is done here. Just we need to discuss it now. How are you going to school? आप school कैसे जा रहे हो? This is a question, so put a question mark. Nina's father is a pilot. नीना के father pilot है. A full stop. What are you doing this weekend? आज इस weekend में क्या कर रहे हैं? This is a question sentence, so question mark. I am reading an interesting book. मैं एक बहुत अच्छी book, बहुत interesting book read कर रहा हूँ. Full stop. Who is the president of India? इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? This is a question. So question mark. Next is Mozart was a great musician. This is a statement, so full stop. Number 7. Which is your favorite dish? It is a question, so question mark. Number 8. When are you coming back from London? London से वापस कब आ रहे हो? This is also a question, so question mark. Okay. Now the next sentences. There is a toy. The sentences are, there is a toy inside the box. Box के अंदर toy है. It is a question. It is not a question. It is a statement. So full stop. Next is, how are you going to the museum? आप म्यूजियम कैसे जा रहे हो? This is a question. So question mark. 11th is, where is Moscow located? Moscow कहाँ है? This is a question. So question mark. And the last is, who won the football match yesterday? This is also a question. So question mark. So class 2, this was the last exercise of your English grammar book chapter 2, the sentence. Okay, here we have ended the chapter, and for the next class we will start a new chapter from your course book. Okay, that's all for today, class 2. Remember that you have to do practice for reading, writing, learning, everything you need to do. You have to complete your book as well as your notebook, and time to time, if you have any difficulty regarding any exercise or anything, you just keep us informing. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.